Blockchain is fundamentally a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. This ensures that records cannot be altered retroactively without altering all subsequent blocks and gaining the consensus of the network. Blockchain consists of a series of blocks, each containing a list of transactions. These blocks are linked using cryptographic hashes, forming a chain. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. This design makes the data inherently resistant to modification. A key aspect of blockchain is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional databases controlled by a central authority, blockchain is maintained by a network of nodes. These nodes validate and record transactions through consensus mechanisms like proof of work (POW) or proof of stake (POS). Decentralization enhances security and transparency, as there is no single point of failure. Bitcoin is a well-known application of blockchain, functioning as a decentralized digital currency. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain, providing a transparent and secure method of peer-to-peer transfer without intermediaries. Blockchain's potential extends beyond cryptocurrencies. In supply chain management, it can track goods from origin to delivery. In healthcare, blockchain can provide secure and immutable patient records, enhancing privacy and interoperability. Smart contracts are another revolutionary aspect of blockchain. These self-executing contracts have terms written directly into code, automatically executing and enforcing agreements when predefined conditions are met. This reduces the need for intermediaries and minimizes fraud risk. In conclusion, blockchain technology represents a paradigm shift in handling data and transactions. Its decentralized, transparent, and secure nature offers transformative potential across numerous sectors. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.